Yo, it's your boy Cocky Smart. So we pay entertainment news bia, pay trending news bia, unko baby ya. Weekmix media, obey no correct amount. Eh, o hando ma bi na wo. Mesra wani ye kwan so, me power chow. Subscribe my. Say the be di bibia tuma ubenya. Why? Me dan say.
Hello, lovely people. Bless you for coming. Another update on our board. Yes, so we did the Andy. We new one amount. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notification bell so that every day you will see new update on so updating your can. And then we room our sports update man. Now you room our Abedi Pele. And so I come now if you be room our Jeremy Doku. And so I come right from a year Man City a camp. Yes, so yes, Ghana Black Stars team man. There are two players in there that are blasted open. That's why for criticizing on the pan and not a Dede Ayew and then near Jordan Ayew. Name him and go say Kukuya home. Or this ongoing AFCON or Ivory Coast, ranking third in Group B. I intimate qualify and free a group stages more. No, and some trail for a busa a Abedi Pele question say, a yana for criticizing a manner, and a hana necessary. Or the nsɛm bi aba bɛto dwa ɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ɔno deɛ ha no ɔho ne sɛ ɛyɛ normal because the time a na ɔno koraa gyina mu a na ɔgyina ne nan so ɛbɛbɔ ɔma Ghana no ɔno nso experience the same thing even though na ɔbɔ ne ho mmɔden ɛde ma Ghana nti ɔno deɛ ɔso ɔhu mfonsuo biara with the style of player ne ma no ɛbɔ ɛma Black Stars no wɔ video no ha no yɛnkɔ through yɛnkɔ tie nsɛm a ɔno nso de bɛto dwa.
Will be there. How do you feel when people come at your sons, Dede and Jordan, looking at how tirelessly they work for the Black Stars? When they get it wrong, maybe sometimes when there's a defeat, I don't know, maybe you hear this.
They never got it wrong. They've never got it wrong. But what I can say that what I can say is they've never left me alone. When I was playing, it was the same. So I have nothing wrong with it. It's because they know you have it and you can do it. That is why they come at you. If you don't have it, nobody will call your name. If you are determined and you are good, everybody will come to you.
God bless you.
Thank you very much for staying to reduce and prepare so way into and only in summer Abedi Ayew Pele and so at the core ma in some for the Ghana phone concerning a year in the manner they criticize your anytime and I say any day Ghana Black Stars will be and so much there and you rooms a Ghana for a choma pa and some so switching from there no I'm doing Jeremy Doku and so a camp Jeremy Doku a granted interview be a generated a whole lot of convo on the media top. Na this interview ni mu no na Jeremy Doku eka nsɛm bi sɛ ɔno no ɔyɛ Ghana ni ɔgye tim sɛ ɔyɛ Ghana ni na afei nso so no twi ni paa deɛ ɛba ne sɛ yɛnka twi a ɔte twi ni yie paa even though sɛ osi akan ɛde ma Belgium no ɔte twi ni yie paa na ɔbɛhwɛ sɛ ɔbɛsa bɛpie mu Ghana ha bi because ɔkyerɛ mu a ne sɛ ɔba Ghana ha no once pɛ na ɔbɛsa abdɔ sɛ ɔbɛba Ghana bi mu. Nti no video better abɔnten ne Ghana for bebree and react to this video. Amanfoɔ say hey Charlie another player GFA make it go for now not knowing say almost about Belgium that I don't know how this guy will convert to play for Ghana but also comment section now I would like to take you through some name really some of the comments amanfoɔ so but before say me we go through comments you know the person who watch video number the bar and for reaction on this very interview at also.
Of course, I'm Ghanaian also because my parents are Ghanaian. I also speak Twi, the language of Ghana. So I've been there once. I have to go back again because it's a long time ago. But yeah, of course, I like Ghana. I like the way they dance. I like the way they talk. I like the music. So yeah, of course. And my parents, they go often back. I didn't go back yet, so I have to go.
But I say, so I stay true. I will do something so way. Into no, we should comment to be a rich homie or say they will still bench him or so Ghana Krana. They will still bench him. So I Obama Ghana because better bench Ghana we a good player and a do bench. Okay, Ojo say GFA watch all these cases since 16 years and still decided to reach out to 29-year-old Inaki. Wow. Okay, so someone says assuming you plus Kudus, what is World Cup? Assuming Jeremy plus Kudus, what is World Cup? Okay, I am Nana to say she, the language of Ghana, Piao. Okay, so another person and so identity by or say skinny man or say please Mr. Duku, I love you so much. don't come to Ghana else you are finished. Ask Inaki. Okay, Eric Kusi say Jeremy cannot play for Ghana anymore. He's playing for Belgium national team. Okay, so another person, Cosmetic say, don't be proud of our own and be there playing for others. I say, don't be proud of our own and be there playing for others. Okay, so another person also so Clement also say, but you chose Belgium. Okay, another person, this Jeremy is correct and feel more Ghanaian than the other one, the Jeremy Frimpong. Okay, so Purpose say he plays on the wings. Suddenly he will be a bench player. So obviously say obo wings. So Obagana Krana obey bench player. And in the winning update our to your Weekmix media. Yes, we had the best more. What do you think about the Jeremy Doku's new interview? And after this, and Sama Abedi Ayew Pele and so the betuja concerning the manner the bomb each and every day, leave you comment, and like, subscribe. We did Andy, but that's a piece of passing through. My crowd. Bye bye.
Hi, that's it. Mega. Ready. Hello, Emianum. Open. Hey. Okay. So we are the idea. Hello, guys. Emianum. So open news papa eti nkoma papa kongonsa etia kongonsa won koma mu nyina ye se tokrom bia opebi etia subscribe Weekmix media ene na papa